If you're considering Yotpo for your dropshipping store, there are a few things you need to know before diving in. While Yotpo is a popular choice, it's important to compare it with its competitors to make sure it's the right fit for your business. Stick around, and we'll break down 12 key points about Yotpo to help you decide. First off, Yotpo's main feature is its ability to help you gather and manage customer reviews. This is a huge benefit for your online store, especially when building trust. However, while it's great for review collection, its competition, like Trustpilot, often offers more advanced customization options when it comes to displaying reviews. Next thing, let's talk about Yotpo's pricing. While it offers a free plan, most of its useful features are locked behind its premium tiers, which can get pricey, especially as you scale. Compared to competitors like Judged.me, Yotpo's pricing is on the higher end for similar functionalities. The third thing you need to know is that Yotpo's integration options are pretty vast. It works with most major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. But it's not always the smoothest integration, and in some cases, you might need a developer to make things run perfectly. Competitors like Loox tend to offer a more seamless setup for non-technical users. Now, the fourth thing to consider is Yotpo's loyalty and referral programs. These features are great for customer retention, but they can be a bit complicated to set up. If you're looking for something simpler, platforms like Smiled.io might be more user-friendly and easier to integrate. The fifth thing is the email marketing capabilities Yotpo offers. You can automatically send review request emails, which is useful. But Yotpo doesn't provide as much in-depth automation as Klaviyo or OmniSend, which are better known for their advanced email marketing features. Next, Yotpo excels at visual content, letting you showcase customer photos and reviews. This can significantly boost trust and conversion rates. But while the functionality is there, it isn't always easy to manage, especially for stores with large amounts of customer media. Apps like Photo Review from Shopify make this process more streamlined. The seventh thing to consider is Yotpo's customer support. While it does offer live chat, phone support, and a help center, users often report slower response times compared to competitors like Trustpilot, which provides faster and more comprehensive support. Now, let's talk about the eighth thing, Yotpo's analytics. It provides basic reporting, but if you need more detailed insights into customer behavior, its features fall short. Competitors like Judged.me offer more granular reporting options, allowing you to better understand customer preferences and trends. The ninth thing is the mobile app. Yotpo's mobile app is decent, but not as powerful as competitors like Stamped.io. It allows you to view reviews and manage your store on the go, but if you need full control over your reviews and campaigns, you might feel limited. The 10th thing is the SEO benefits. Yotpo's reviews are indexed by Google, which can give your product pages a nice boost in search rankings. However, it's important to note that while Yotpo's SEO features are solid, platforms like Yotpo's competitor, Stamped.io, offer more customizable options when it comes to how your reviews appear in search results. The 11th thing to note is that Yotpo's user interface is clean and intuitive, but it's not always as customizable as you might want. If you need a highly tailored look for your review section, you may find alternatives like Trustpilot to have more design flexibility. Finally, Yotpo has a strong community and a lot of case studies backing its credibility, which can be helpful for new users. However, when compared to competitors like Loox, it's not always as feature-rich in terms of visuals and social proof tools. So, while Yotpo is definitely a solid choice for many businesses looking to collect reviews and build customer loyalty, it does have its drawbacks compared to other platforms. If you want a more affordable, feature-rich, and easier-to-use option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.